Well, this is my first experience with cutting open a young Thai coconut. And I spooned it out. I spooned the meat out with a spoon. And there's obviously not enough in here to make coconut bacon by any means, or naan, garlic naan. So from now on, I'll be buying a whole, I guess, adult coconut, because this isn't going to go very far. I just wanted to share my experience. So this is all the coconut I've gotten so far from 1/2 of the coconut. We'll see if it's enough to make coconut bacon. I think I might be starving. Okay, so in here is what I'm gleaning from the second half that I spooned out. So that's a better amount, but let me clean it up and see what we have in total. Okay, so this is all the coconut I got from both halves of the young Thai coconut. I think it looks like a lot more than what is in reality, but let's see how much coconut bacon we can make. And the coconut core, I would really love to save for my garden. That's great stuff. I just have to shred it. That's as high as she goes, is 72 minutes. All right, so I guess I have to run it 3 times. Three hours. 3 hours. Let's see what she looks like in 3 hours. We'll say, ha! She really looks like bacon. She really looks like bacon. Definitely. Okay, so my mistake. This was 71 hours. I didn't know this dehydrator could go up to 71 hours. Wow. Emerald Iglesi. This is an amazing machine. I've never used this on the dehydrator side before, so I'm totally new to this. So apparently you can go, there's your hours. 3 hours. Okay, we're all set. Dehydrate 3 hours at 118 degrees. Okay, so this has actually been on for 4 hours because for some reason, and I don't really understand, because this is a mesh, you know, air should go through on both sides. But I actually had to flip these over a couple hours in because one side was sort of gooey-ish and the other side here was well done. So it's been in for 4 hours, and let's go ahead and take a taste and see what we think. Still a little tender though. Let's try a smaller piece. See if it tastes like bacon. Okay, so this is my first time making coconut bacon. Did it turn out all right? I don't know. Let's see. And does it taste like bacon? That's the thing. This is coconut bacon. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Woo. Okay, a little heavy on the chili pepper, JoAnne. But wow. That tastes like bacon. Shut up. Okay, definitely heavy on the chili powder. But that definitely tastes like bacon. Thank you, Markus Rothkranz and Kara Brotman. This is amazing. Wow. I'm going to have another piece. All right. Coconut tastes like bacon? Come on. Wow. Well, it does. That is delicious. Are you kidding me? I would definitely make that again. Wow. Thank you, Love on a Plate. Much appreciated. Wow. Awesome. Coconut bacon.